The Model 5700 Tire Repair and Inspection Spreader is designed to improve speed, efficiency, and ergonomics when inspecting tires, and handles tires up to 18-inch cross-section and 24.5-inch bead diameter, including super singles. Features include an auto extend and retract ramp, quiet electric bidirectional tire rotation, a 15 to 32-inch adjustable height platform, spring plunger lock pin hook adjustment, a long-lasting RMA-compliant LED light, 2 grounded electric outlets on the column, an attached tool tray with slots for 14 tools, continuously variable rotation speed control, a pre-drilled base for floor mounting, 4 air tool ports below the tool tray, and foot-operated rotation controls on both sides of the machine that leave hands-free to inspect the tire. To begin, turn the power switch to the on position. Move the spread arms and LED light out from the machine center line. Lower the platform using the hand controls at the tool tray. The ramp will extend automatically as the platform is lowered. Roll the tire onto the inspection platform until it's seated on the 2 rollers. Move the spread arms into the tire, hooking the bead on both sides. While steadying the tire with one hand, raise the inspection platform to a comfortable working height. The ramp will automatically retract when the platform is raised. Spread the tire as needed for inspection using the hand controls at the tool tray. Turn on the LED light and move it inside the tire. The light can be adjusted to view any portion of the tire. Use one of the foot controls located on either side of the spreader to perform inspection. The electric motor is extremely quiet and provides rotation in both directions. Rotation speed can be adjusted using the continuously variable speed control knob located at the column. If needed, there are 4 air tool ports and 2 grounded electric outlets on the column. When inspection is complete, lower the platform completely. Release the spread on the tire. Turn off the LED light and move it and the spread arms out from the tire. Roll the tire down the ramp and turn off the power. You may want to raise the platform so that the ramp retracts before turning the power switch to the off position.